Hey guys, so I am getting ready to go over to our friend Will's house right now. Currently my 1975 GMC Vandura, my orange van, is over there right now. It's been leaking power steering fluid for like 2 years now, but he's a bit of a wizard when it comes to car stuff, and I will be honest, I don't know how to do anything when it comes to power steering, so I will be going over there and helping, but he is going to help me take it out, and we're going to put a new one in, and I thought I'd take you guys along with me. We are at my neighbor Will's house, and we are about to change power steering on this guy.
And so what I'm doing is, what I'm unhooking right now is where the steering column hooks to the steering box. That's what I'm loosening up. Well, it has there's 2 bolts on it, and then there's another bolt that'll have a slide. So then that's what I need this for, so I can pry it and push it up. Then I'll take the 3 bolts out, and the power steering box comes right out.
Got it.
I'm gonna hope that him right out. How about that?
That's the hope. Is it ever what actually happens though?
Sometimes. So, you know, it's like sometimes you think, oh, this will be super easy. And then it's not. And then a lot of times, like for me, you know, if you're not in a hurry for something, it seems to be a lot smoother for you, right?
Totally.
But whenever you're in a hurry, you just want it done so fast, that's when you kind of, it gets you.
What's happening?
It's working. Cool. Let's see. I can get this. 2. Up there. Oh, sweet. We got it. That's usually the hardest part. Yeah. See, that way we're not going to take it off there, so we don't mess that one up. Oh yeah, he'll come over there. Just like that.
Yay!
Didn't even drop it on me.
That thing has been haunting me for 2 years. All right, so it's the next day. I have my old power steering box in my car. On my way to a place that rebuilds them. To get a new one or a rebuilt one, so we're gonna go trade this one in and go get a brand new one. So I'm so excited. All right, I just got here. Here's the old one. She's sad. Seal's very leaky and just done, so get a new one. Got the new one. Shiny and clean. And hopefully won't leak everywhere. Yay! back at Will the Wizard's house.
Wizard! Who summons the wizards, you guys? Hey, what's up?
Let's get this power steering box on. What do you think?
Sorry, I'm driving and doing this. I normally wouldn't, but I
Don't do this at home, kids.
It already sounds better.
Yeah.
Let me give it a little bit more.
That sounds way better. Holy moly.
There's just not enough timing in it for some reason. I don't know. Oh yeah. We're getting somewhere now.
That's fun. It's never gone that fast.
I don't think it ever would have when it came time like that. Holy crap. Park it over here, see if it leaks.
Finally, I can be on solid ground. I don't have to be in the gravel. All right, guys, just got home, swapped out the power steering box, and it is driving like a dream now, which is amazing. It's been like 2 years of it sounding horrible while I'm steering and it leaking everywhere in the garage. So I am so relieved that it's done. You'll still be seeing that orange van a lot. She's got a lot more work to be done, but she's getting there. She's getting there. And more content on the blue van, obviously. Matt will be up in a few weeks and we'll be doing some stuff with that guy. So stay tuned for that. And as always, thank you guys for liking and sharing and subscribing. It means a lot. And we love reading the comments and seeing you guys at events, which has been happening lately, and talking to you guys about the videos. That's super fun. So anyways, thank you guys, and I'll see you next time.
Da 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 da.